Welcome to Trademiner Futures. Hi, my name is Lan Turner, and I'm the president of Gecko Software, and we're the creators of Trademiner. In this introductory video, I want to quickly take you through the process of having Trademiner extract from the markets the very cream of the crop markets to trade during the next several weeks. Trademiner was designed to mine through millions of historical trading records, looking for markets that have shown consistent gains during our trading time period. Then give us a listing of which markets have been consistently profitable and when we should consider taking trades. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is come up here to the top and look at step number 1, and that's our mining step. This is where we're going to go through and ask Trademiner to find the specific trading opportunities that we're looking for. So it's a very simple process. It reads like a paragraph. What we do is we come in here and we say prospect for trades in the month of, and I'm going to pick March, find trades that win at least 85% of the time, showing, and I'm going to take both sides, longs and shorts. List trades that last at least 5 trading days, and of course I can change that to whatever number I want, but I'm going to stick with 5 trading days, but no more than 30 days. So I don't want it to be a really long-term trade, but I do want it to be a trend. So I'm going to go 30 days, 30 trading days. Now mine at least 15 years of history. So if it hasn't been 85% profitable over the last 15 years, I don't want it in this list. So let's go ahead and hit the Dig Now button. And you can see how quickly this green bar is our progress bar and how quickly Trademiner can find those different trades for us. Now, as you see the results, we've come down here and it's found 97 different opportunities. Now you'll notice that some of those are duplicates. They're different, the same market, but with different time frames. So we want to make sure that we weed those out, and I'll show you how to do that. The first thing we do is we come through here and we just simply look across the top, and we have a number of different choices that we can make on our different strategies. So what we want to do is, first of all, I like to search by the number of years and see the highest year. So the highest year is 20 years. So we've got some markets that have been profitable 85% of the time through the month of March over the last 20 years. And so that's a pretty good trading opportunity. And if we want to, we can come in and of course add that to our portfolio. Now what I like to do is look at the entry date, and I'll look at the entry date March 3rd to April 13th. Now notice we have 4 different times that this comes up in our list. So I'll take the earliest one, which is March 2nd to April 14th. So I'm going to add that one to my portfolio. Now along here we have another one, which is LEM, which we're going to take in here. And of course LEM, that's cattle, that's live cattle, and that's the June contract. And so we're going to come in here and say March 18th to March 29th. We got March 18th to March 30th. So basically the same strategy, and we're going to take the longer one. And then we've got another one, some more GNEVs. But we can come in here, and that's just searching by the highest number of years. If we wanted to look at the average annual profit or return on margin, we could click the header of this one and search and get the highest percentage returns. Now the years are not as many back, but we have a much higher return. So there's a 1,251% return, and of course that one GNGV, that is our natural gas contract. That's our October natural gas contract, and we can see that that one there starts March 21st through March 30th. Over the last 16 years has been over 85% accurate. So let's go ahead and add that one to our portfolio. And now I have those 3 added to my portfolio. I could go through and add more, but for now this is good enough for our demonstration. Now I'm going to come through and I'm going to go to our portfolio view, our second tab. And in our second tab, these are just the 3 that we selected. Okay, so in this example, what I can do is I can sort them by all the different strategies. Now of course I can move these columns around too, just by dragging them and dropping them into a new position. And of course we have lots and lots and lots of statistics that you can use, and I can scroll across and you can see all those, and you can choose the ones that are most important to you, and of course you can just drag them to the front of the line, and you can just bring them right up here. If you want biggest profits up front, you just bring that right up front, and then you can sort by any of the columns by clicking on their headers. And of course you can sort by multiple columns by coming down here and saying column sort order, and you can choose which ones you want to sort, the first 3 column sort orders, and whether you want that to be ascending or descending. Of course, synchronizing step 1 and 2 column order, what that means of course is that your order of columns are the same on tab 1 as they are on tab 2, and we're going to hit OK on that one. Now what we've done is we come back and it says starting by, and I'm going to sort by the starting date, and so starting March 2nd through April 14th is when we want to first start looking at our natural gas contract. And then come March 18th, we want to start looking at our live cattle contract. And then, of course, March 21st, we want to start looking at another natural gas opportunity. And so there's 3 opportunities for us in the month of March for us to begin looking at our portfolio and trading the highest probability trading opportunities, the ones that have been profitable the most over the last 15 to 18 years.